got a mobile lab task to do. Follow me. Got yet to climb the ladder while the trailer's moving, but you never know. Watch out, Tom Cruise. Why am I cleaning solar panels? Well, as you probably know, solar panels generate electricity through gathering energy from the sun. And anything that becomes in between the solar panel and the sun, say for instance a rag or some dirt like this, interferes with the efficiency of gathering that electricity. So what we want to do is make sure that the solar panel is nice and clean and capturing all of the light that could possibly come through.
This is why you always want your solar panels clean and under plenty of sunlight.
Today we're at University of North Carolina, Charlotte, here with Sean McElwee, and today's our second day on campus. We are hosting our quantum optics kit today. How do you like North Carolina, Sean?
It's been great. It's been all the Southern hospitality I've come to expect. We're going to be covering our fiber coupling course to go for the ins and outs of single and multi-mode coupling.
And after a busy schedule with bringing in a bunch of students through the lab, we packed up and headed to Tiger Country to bring the mobile lab to Clemson University. Students present for our morning course on fiber processing formed lenses on fiber tips. Later that day, students examined fibers cleaved under various tensions before splicing and tapering.
Sun, solar panel, dirt, cleaner. I think you can guess where this is going.